The goal with this activity is to loosen up the knee, work on moving the hips, and to improve your squat. Here's what you're going to do. You can either grab a bar or put your hands in the kitchen sink at home, put your feet on a ramp, predominantly the heels, or you can put them on a book that you don't like. You're going to set up with a ball or something between your feet, and you want to put a band around your knees. That'll make a little bit more sense when I give you the first after I give you the first couple keys. So, get on the ramp. The first thing you want to do is you want to tuck your hips. So what I like to tell people is you want to imagine if you had a belt buckle, you're going to pull that belt buckle towards your belly button, and you want to keep that there. From that position, the next thing you want to do is you're going to, if you could loop around, you're going to press your feet into the ball while keeping your knees centered. So you don't want your knees to come in, so you're going to press into the ball and just a gentle push of the band. Okay? You're going to keep the tuck and go back to the side view. Press your feet down, knees are centered. You're going to push your knees forward, keeping that belt buckle to belly button. Get to about this position right here. You're going to breathe in this position in through the nose. Nice long exhale, pause and repeat. Keep the belt buckle on the way up. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.